Hi, I'm Rishabh, and this is WhatsApp webinar automation chatbot, which is built from our platform Sandesh AI. So this WhatsApp webinar automation chatbot is used to get more registration, more attendance, and better follow-ups. So this can automate your entire webinar workflow. So let me show how this works. First, we send thousands of webinar messages about our masterclass to your prospect. So you can easily send them thousands of messages from our platform Sandesh AI with a I'm interested and not interested button in a message. If they click on I'm interested button, then we send them a awesome successful message that you have successfully shown interest in our Java programming masterclass. We'll share the Zoom link soon. And if they click not interested, we'll send them another message like of no worries at all kind of message. Then after that, so let's say this webinar is going to happen on 27th of June. So on 26th, one day before the webinar, at particular time, we send them another message like you are invited to join our live programming masterclass, which is happening tomorrow with our date and time, and Zoom link will be shared soon. After this, on 27th, in which webinar is going to happen at 6 p.m., which is 1 hour before our webinar, we send them another message like we are almost live. Your Java programming masterclass starts in 1 hour. And after the 55 minutes, which is 5 minutes before a webinar, we send them another reminder like we are starting in 5 minutes. Your Java masterclass is about to go live with a Zoom link. And for example, if your webinar takes around a 1.5 hour, so after 1.5 hours, we send them another message. We can send them a feedback message like how was the webinar, or also we can send a special offer message which is valid for that day only to upsell your course here. We can customize follow-up dates and time according to your requirements. If you want to try this out or want a custom setup for your next webinar, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to walk you through a complete demo. Thank you.